In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracked inventory in Xero. If you're looking to keep a close eye on your stock levels, adding tracked inventory is an essential function within Xero that will help you maintain accuracy and efficiency in your business operations. Let's dive in and take you through this straightforward process step by step. First, to get started, what you'll want to do is navigate to the top of your Xero screen. Here, you'll find the menu bar that serves as your main gateway to various functionalities within the platform. Click on Sales. This is where you'll access your sales-related data and options. Once you click on Sales, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll then select Products and Services. This section is crucial, as it houses all the items you sell or plan to sell, whether they're physical products or intangible services. Now, once you're in the Products and Services section, this is your hub for managing everything related to what you stock or sell. You can add new products and services here, edit existing inventory, and get a comprehensive view of everything you have added. This centralized location makes managing your inventory convenient and ensures you can easily keep track of everything. The next step is to add a new item to your inventory. To do this, look towards the top right of your screen and you'll see a button marked New Item. Clicking on this will take you to a form where you can input all the details of the item you want to add. This includes the item's name, description, and pricing, among other relevant information. Now, here comes the most crucial part if you're looking to set up tracked inventory. On this form, you'll see an option that allows you to track inventory items. Be sure to check the box next to this option. This simple action enables the tracking feature for that specific item, meaning Xero will automatically adjust your inventory levels as you make sales or process purchases, providing an up-to-date reflection of what you have in stock. And that's it! You've successfully added a tracked inventory item in Xero. Using tracked inventory will help you avoid overselling, keep your financial records accurate, and allow for more efficient inventory management. It is a simple yet powerful tool for anyone looking to streamline their business operations and keep a close eye on stock levels. Don't forget to regularly revisit the Products and Services section to update and maintain your inventory as your business grows and changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy inventory tracking!